The elephant is a true powerhouse of the animal kingdom. Did you know that an African elephant can weigh up to 12,000 pounds? That's like carrying the weight of a small car. Their strength is not just in their size, it's in their incredible muscles and bone structure. An elephant's trunk alone contains around 40,000 muscles, allowing them to lift heavy branches, dig for water, and even give themselves a bath. But strength isn't just about brute force. Elephants are known for their intelligence and social bonds. They can work together to move obstacles or protect their young, showcasing teamwork that rivals any human effort. Their sheer power, combined with their emotional depth, makes them one of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. So, the next time you think of strength, remember the elephant, an embodiment of might and wisdom.